In the heart of Paris, France, where the streets shine with lights and the Eiffel Tower glows every night, a quiet love story began. Emma was a young art student from London. She came to Paris for her studies. She loved painting the city, its rivers, cafes, and golden sunsets. But she felt alone. Every day she would sit near the Seine River and sketch people passing by. One evening, while drawing the sunset, she noticed someone watching her. A boy stood a few steps away. He was holding a camera. He quickly looked away when she noticed him. Emma smiled. "Do you always take pictures of strangers?" she asked jokingly. The boy hesitated, then said, "Only the ones who look like art." Emma laughed softly. That was the first time they spoke. His name was Lucas. He was a photography student from Italy, living in Paris for his dream. From that day they kept meeting at the same place. Emma painted. Lucas took photos. Slowly conversation started. "What are you painting today?" "You again," Emma would say, smiling. And Lucas would reply, "Best subject in Paris." Days turned into weeks. They walked through small Paris streets, drank coffee in tiny cafes, and watched sunsets together. Without realizing it, they became important to each other. One evening, Lucas looked nervous. "I have something to tell you," he said. Emma looked at him quietly. "I'm leaving Paris next week. My course is finished." The words felt heavy and Emma didn't speak for a moment. "Oh," she finally said. Silence followed. That night Emma couldn't paint. For the first time her canvas stayed empty. She realized something important: she had fallen in love. But she never said it. On Lucas's last day, Emma went to their usual spot by the river. He was already there. They stood quietly. Lucas said, "I didn't expect to meet someone like you here." Emma looked down. "I didn't expect to lose you so soon," she said softly. Lucas smiled sadly. Then he gave her a small envelope. "What is this?" she asked. "Open it when I'm gone," he said. Lucas left, and Emma stood there alone. That night she opened the envelope. Inside was a letter and a small photo of her painting by the river. The letter said, "I came to Paris for photography, but I found something more beautiful than my dream. You. If life brings us back together, I will wait at the same river." Emma held the letter close. Tears filled her eyes. Months passed. Life moved on. But every evening Emma still went to the Seine River. She painted. She waited. One spring evening someone stood behind her. A familiar voice said softly, "Still painting strangers?" Emma turned around. It was Lucas. And in that moment Paris felt warmer than ever. Because sometimes love doesn't end. It waits.